Hey guys, I look so bomb. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruth. If you didn't know, and in today's video we are going to be installing this wig together. So in my previous video, if you haven't checked it out, please go check it out. I had my wig installed by a professional for the very first time, and so many of you came at me asking me, why did you get it? We installed it, guys. I got all the tea today. Come with me. Rian had bridal gig that day, so I had to let the ladies do what they had to do. I got my wig from Discreet Looks. Check them out on Instagram. I will definitely link their page down below in the description box. And the wig was installed from Rian Hairs. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed for more of this content, because this is also glam and you don't want to miss out on any upload. Anyway guys, thank you so much. Until next time, besties. Mwah.